Welcome back to our channel. PLUME Coin has been making waves, and with potential major exchange listings on the horizon, could this be the next big breakout? Let's analyze the price action, key levels, and what's next for PLUME. Right now, PLUME Coin has a $392 million market cap and $38 million in daily trading volume. It's already listed on several major exchanges, though Binance and Coinbase have yet to list it. But that could change soon. Looking at the chart, PLUME has been in accumulation mode after hitting $0.25. The current support zone is around $0.16 to $0.17, a strong buy opportunity if price dips to this level. Price targets asterisk. Breakout to 28 cents, $0.29, potential 50% gain. Market cap could reach $800 million to $1 billion in the next few months. Right now, PLUME is forming a new consolidation box, setting up for a potential breakout. If major exchange listings happen, we could see a huge move to the upside. Do you think PLUME Coin will break out soon? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe for more crypto updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.